What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to give you an update about TFVPM. So how the project is doing. Okay, so let's go over to my fund and over here we can see the reports of my trades. Okay, essentially that's that. Right, so over here we can see that currently I have staked. Let me cut this off. Currently, I have staked 177, and so far I have made 4.12 bucks. Okay, so this stake I've staked on the 15th. Okay, 15th of August, and it's gonna expire in 4 days. Okay, so in 4 days, my balance, which is this one right here, plus the accumulation profits, will go to my wallet. So if you click over here, income details, we can see all the transactions that I've made since the beginning. Okay, over here we can see that that was when I started. Okay, 40 days ago to be more precise, and you can see all the transactions. Okay, what I've been doing so far, I was just compounding. So at some point I withdrew 50 bucks to test it out, and it worked. I received the funds in my wallet, no problem. Okay, and then I withdraw again. Okay, and I went back in again. Okay, so as you can see right here, 157. I've made 12 bucks. Obviously, 3% is for the fees and all that, but it's all good. Over here, transactions record is where you can see every single thing. Okay, so for example, um, I invested 515 and then came out with 521, is that right? And then 521, 526, and so on. You get the idea, okay, guys? It's like compounding. The more you compound, the more you will earn, okay? Essentially, that's that. So if you're not familiar with TFVPM, you come over here. So once you sign up, okay, so once the link's going to be in the description if you want to join this project, but once you sign up, all you got to do is you got to set up um, your account. Okay, so all you have to do is set up your account. That means you will have to input your ERC wallet, USDT wallet, or TRC20 wallets. Okay, I've got my TRC20 wallets right here. Okay, so once you got that done, okay, you will have to add a password, a withdraw password for whenever you wanted to withdraw. Okay, you got the withdraw password right there to withdraw the funds. Okay, and that's that. So you are up and running. Then once you are up and running, you come over here to discovery, and on discovery you have to two sections. Okay, so you got the fixed terms and you got the compound terms. Okay, so fixed funds, that means you will go from 1 day to 15 days. Okay, but while you are on these plans, it does not compound. Okay, whereas over here it compounds your interest, but you'll have to go for a longer period of time. Okay, so it goes from 30 days all the way to 120 days, I think. 120 days, that's correct, 4 months. Okay, but in the other hand, you can see the return right here, 336%, right? So the current plan that I've been rolling with is this one right here, 7 days, because the minimum is 100 bucks. And the next one up, it's this one right here, 15 days, but the minimum is 500. Okay, and for these ones, for the compound ones, the minimum is 1,000 bucks. Okay, but after 30 days, you will get 40%. So for example, if you deposit 1,000 bucks after 30 days, you will have your 1,000 bucks back plus um 420, roughly around 420 bucks back in profit. Okay, so how cool is that? Essentially, that's that. So for example, you decided to roll with this one, you come over here, it's going to be a 30-day cycle. All you got to do, make sure you read it through, you fully understand, you hit buy. So once you hit buy, you select the amount that you want to invest. So for example, 1,000 or more. Okay, and the duration is going to be 30 days right there, and then all you got to do is click confirm and click on there and click confirm. So once you click confirm, you are in. Okay, it might take a few minutes for your request to go through, because that's how it goes, okay? But eventually will go through and you will be in generating profits. And then after 30 days, the project automatically will send the profits to your account, okay? This is your account. The account balance will be right here, your initial investment plus profits, okay? That being said, guys, if you want to join this project, the link's going to be down in the description. There's a referral link. If you don't want to join under my referral link, it's okay, no problem. Anyway, I'm still here to share my crypto journey. That being said, stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.